I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can get free RDP on Windows 10. We're going to be using a service called Microsoft Azure. Now you can sign up to Microsoft Azure by going on this link here or just typing in Azure on your Google search bar. Now you want to just click on Get Started with Azure, and in here you can start Azure for free, right? So just try Azure for free, and now you just need to sign in. You just have to sign up. You do need to put in a couple of things. I think you need to put in your ID, your phone number, and things like that. But once you signed up, all you have to do is that first off, you want to log in to your Azure portal, right? You can do this with a free account. Under then, and then on the virtual machines, you want to click on search, and then under services, you want to click on select virtual machines. After that, on the virtual machines page, select create, then virtual machine. After that, on the basics tab, under project details, make sure the correct subscription is selected and then choose to create a new resource group. Type your resource group name for your name or just whatever other name you want, right? And then after that, under instance details, type your virtual machine name, which is your whatever your name is. So if you name your virtual machine, then type in virtual machine here. And then from the virtual machine name, choose Windows 10 Pro version 20H2 Gen 2 for the image, and then leave other on default. You don't need to change anything. And then under administrator account, provide a username such as admin user and a password. To note that the password must be at least 12 characters long and must be the defined complexity requirements. So it might need a capital letter, a couple numbers, or a symbol, things like that. And then make sure under the inbound port rules, allow the selected ports and then select RTP 3389 and HTTP 80 from the dropdown. After that, you can just leave the remaining on defaults and then select review plus create button at the bottom of the page. And then after the validation run, just select the create button at the bottom of the page. And then after deployment is complete, go to resources. You can see here the deployment is complete, right? And then after all of that, it will look like this. Make sure everything looks right. Go to connect RTP. Now, on the connect with RTP page, keep the default options, connect by IP address over port 3389, and then click download RTP file. After you have two paths to do this, if you're a Windows user, then you can download the RTP file and then click connect when prompted. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.